Hi, I'm Mickey Schafer. I'm the Associate Director of the University Writing Program at the University of Florida, also an instructional professor. One of the things that I've found in the last year and a half or so working with students on LLM as it intersects their writing is one, students can and are willing to learn to use LLMs responsibly, ethically, with intention, and with agency. That has been a really wonderful thing to learn. Most students don't want to sacrifice their individuality to the machine. I do see a role now in LLMs, and particularly given their analytical abilities and their familiarity with writing and with literature and in the world of ideas, where students could move faster along the educational road toward understanding something by being in conversation with or in collaboration with an LLM about a particular idea. That, I think, has value to it. I think being able to put in a small bit of writing and have your own idea first and then be able to ask, just like you would if you went to the writing studio, does this make sense? What kind of evidence would be necessary to support this? We can start teaching those critical thinking questions. The way that they're adopting LLMs is very individualistic. It's almost idiosyncratic. I think that that's always going to have to be a part of how people approach writing, is the opportunity to decide where they want it all to be them and the opportunity to decide where they want the LLM to intersect what they're producing. It's the gap between output with the LLM and then revise it with your expertise. And of course, nobody addresses the canyon that exists between the student stage and the expert stage. And that's kind of the bridge that I'm most interested in building right now, is in how do we work with these things together so that it becomes part of building expertise and not supplanting understanding. What I really like about AI Days is it gives me an opportunity to talk about the most recent thing that I've been doing. Where I was last year at this time is very different from where I am now and what I'm thinking about, and it's really good to see how other people are doing that as well. It helps me kind of know that I'm going in the right direction and where I can contribute.